Hey everyone, I'm over here at our new listing at 3646 Hawks Landing Circle in Pace, Florida. I wanted to give you a preview of this lovely D.R. Horton home that is coming to the market soon. It is a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home, and it is 2,443 square feet. As you can see, it's a 2-story home, and one of the awesome features about this home is it has a bonus space upstairs that almost doubles as a second living room. So it's great for a family if you need that extra space, or even as a separate guest quarters. It's pretty awesome to have. Coming in, you have a storage closet underneath the stairs. There's plenty of room in there for extra storage. Vinyl plank flooring in the house. Into the kitchen, you have granite countertops with stainless steel appliances. Nice and spacious in here with the dining nook area over here on the right-hand side. That leads out to the back door and the back patio. You have a pantry as well, and the master bedroom is on the main floor, which is very convenient. You have a half bath just off the kitchen for guests to use. Pedestal sink in the half bath. The master bedroom, as you can see, this bed is a king-size bed, and it's a sizable bed as well. So there's plenty of room in here. Great size master bedroom, 4 windows with lots of natural light in here. The master bath has a double vanity with granite countertops, a linen closet, and a walk-in shower. Beautiful tile in the walk-in shower as well. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take you upstairs so you can see the second floor. I just love this extra space up here. It's awesome for families. The kids can have their own area to hang out in, their own TV room. I mean, you could make a gym up here, a huge office space if you work from home. I mean, the possibilities are really endless for the space up here. So at the top of the stairs on the right-hand side, you have your first bedroom on the front side of the house, with a Jack and Jill bath and a double vanity. Again, granite countertops in here as well, with the vinyl plank flooring in all the wet areas. You have a linen closet and a shower tub combo. This house is very clean and impeccably kept. It's brand new inside. It's ready to go, turnkey. Paint is in great shape. Carpet is very clean and in great shape. Just a very nice home we have here. The laundry is up here on the second floor as well. We have some additional shelving up top for storage, and it's a sizable laundry. You could actually do a nice little folding table over here on this side as well. The third bathroom over here is a single vanity shower tub combo, just like the last bath, with the vinyl plank flooring as well. And the fourth bedroom up here. So again, this is a great family home. Tons of space in here, tons of living space for everyone to stretch out and kind of do their own thing. And this home is located in the neighborhood of Hawks Landing. I'm going to take you out back and give you a little tour of the backyard. It is a fully fenced backyard with a privacy fence. So if you have dogs or anything like that, it is ready to go. You have a nice covered patio over here as well. So this one will be hitting the market soon. Let us know if you have any interested buyers or if you'd like to schedule a private showing. This house is not gonna last. It's turnkey and just ready to go.